Nicer than yours.
Hi everyone, you've found another selection of Karen Road Rage. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe.
Wow.
Lives to kill. A mindless eating machine.
Here comes Karen.
He's a garbage! He's a fucking garbage! Hate me all you want! You better get control of your fucking man! You cut me off, you fucking loser! Go back to Mexico, you stink! Ghetto-ass Mexican! Ghetto-ass Mexican! Yeah, fuck you too! He fucking cut me off and had the nerve to give me a paper! Go back to China! China! Take something!
Move, car. Get out the way. Oh my God.
Are you jealous my car is nicer than yours? You broke fat bitch. Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck are you doing? Get the fuck. Look.
Oh yeah, give it to me!
Nah.
Oh no!
This lady's trying to block these riders from passing, and when they do, she has a mental breakdown.
Relax. Who the f she thinks she is? Now where's this lady? I want her license plate. GHH 7890. Smile for the camera. Smile. 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 Smile for the... Uh-huh. Hi, Karen. Hi, Karen. Hi, Karen. Hi, Karen. Watch it, Bridge. Watch it. Okay, get over.
What is going on? No fucking way you just did that. Bro, no way. No way, we're gonna follow her. You're gonna follow her. Oh, go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, this is crazy. Oh shit. No way. Just like every random. No way. No way. Jeez, we're donkeys, bro. No way.
What are you tweaking about?
I have an 82-year-old man in the car, and you guys are all fucking spinning and disturbing. Just because it's 4th of July doesn't mean you get a fucking dick.
You're drunk as fuck.
Nigga. Fuck you, dog.
You're the one swerving. I was just following you.
I'm the one swerving?
Oh,
I'm the one fucking swerving?
yeah, it was actually... Oh, there she goes. And, okay. All right.
Fuck you.
Grow up.
Get the
Grow up.
Grow up. Grow up. Grow up.
Grow up.
You stupid bitch. I'm gonna
Grow
follow
up.
you.
Grow
up. Your motherfucker.
Grow up. Grow up.
You stupid bitch.
Fine, I will call the cops right now. That's
Call
fine.
them.
Go ahead.
I am a cop. My
Go
son is a
ahead.
cop in
Go
Gwinnett.
ahead.
You cut me off,
Go,
you stupid
then go ahead and call the cops.
You cut me
Go
off.
ahead and call the
What
cops.
the for? You
Go
cut me
ahead
off.
and call the cops then.
Get the fuck off the
Go
car.
ahead and call them.
Get
You're
out
a
the car.
cop, you said. Go ahead and call
You
them.
cut me off.
Go ahead and
For
call
what?
them. Go ahead and call them.
cut
You
me
said
off
you're a cop.
to go on a red
You
light?
said you're a cop.
stupid
Go ahead
bitch.
and call them. Go ahead and
You
call them.
stupid- Get out the
You
car.
say you're a cop and you're over here getting out of your car
No,
trying to fight
you
someone.
cut me
Trying
off.
to fight someone
You
in the middle
cut
of the
me
street.
off
And you
illegally.
say you're a cop.
You cut me.
say you're
I'm
a
not
cop
a
and you're
cop.
all.
My son is.
You said you were a cop.
No,
I
I'm
have
not.
it on recording. You said
I'm
you were
not.
a cop.
I said my son
You,
was.
I have it here on
Okay,
recording.
but my son is. You
Okay,
cut me
then
off
call him.
illegally.
And you're over here yelling
Get
at
the
me
f-
in
out
front
the
of in the
car.
middle of the street
Don't
with my son. With my son. With
Illegal
my son.
immigrant.
With my
Get the
son.
f- out. Get out the car.
Go ahead. Keep talking.
Get out the
Keep
car.
talking.
You cut
Keep
me
talking.
off.
I'm a citizen. I'm a
Immigrant.
citizen of the
You don't
United
even have
States.
papers.
I'm a
You probably
citizen
don't
of the
even belong
United
to be
States.
here. You
I'm a
stupid
citizen of the United States.
You stupid bitch. You cut me off.
And yet white
To
people
go
are
to
the
a
ones
red
that are
light.
racist.
You cut me
And
off.
yet white people are the ones that are
You
racist.
stupid bitch. You cut me off.
Okay.
You illegal
Yeah.
immigrant.
Okay.
Go back to Mexico.
I will make sure you go viral for this. I will make sure everybody knows that you said this.
Stupid bitch. You cut me
I
off.
am here legally. I'm a
Get
citizen.
out the car.
Why? I'm a 30-year-old woman with a kid. You're acting stupid. You're acting stupid.